we'll be demonstrating the product setup for the Jet Variable Speed Wood Lathe. Be sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions, unpacking tips, and cleanup prior to assembly. Once you have the tools required, you're ready to get started. For safe and effective operation, your Jet Wood Lathe must be mounted to the optional Jet stand or a work table. For either mounting option, use the 4 threaded holes in the base of the lathe. Mount the included tool caddy to the end of the lathe with 2 5/16 by 1/2 inch button head screws. If you have any questions, please consult your instruction manual. Any additional servicing to your Jet Wood Lathe should be performed by an authorized service technician at one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states. Don't forget that each Jet tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.